Hey everyone, welcome back. If ChatGPT has gone slow on your phone, taking forever to reply, stuttering while it types, or freezing when you scroll, there are 4 fixes that sort it out, and I'll show you all 4, in order, on screen. Start with the first one, and stop when it's fast again. Let's get into it. Swipe up from the bottom to open your apps. Tap the search bar and type in ChatGPT. Now, instead of tapping the app, press and hold on it, and in the little pop-up, tap the letter I in the top right corner. That opens the app info page for ChatGPT. Fix number 1, force stop it. Scroll down this page, and at the bottom right you'll see force stop. Tap it. It warns you that force stopping an app may cause errors. That's fine. It just means the app closes properly. Tap OK. That kills the process completely, which clears whatever it was stuck on. Fix number 2, and this is the big one, clear the cache. On the same page, tap Storage. Now look carefully at the 2 buttons at the bottom. Clear Data will sign you out and wipe everything. Do not touch that one. The one you want is on the right, Clear Cache. Tap Clear Cache and watch the cache size drop to 0. That's the junk that builds up and makes the app stutter. Fix number 3, give the phone some memory back. ChatGPT slows down when your phone is juggling 20 other apps. Go back out, then tap the Recents button, the 3 lines at the bottom left of your screen. You'll see everything that's still running. Tap Close All, and every one of them shuts down. And fix number 4, the one nobody talks about. Open ChatGPT again and start a new chat. Long conversations get slower with every single message because the app has to send the whole thread back every time you type. So if one chat has been going for weeks, don't keep adding to it. Tap the new chat button and start fresh. You'll notice the difference straight away. So let's recap the 4 fixes. 1. Press and hold the ChatGPT icon. Tap the I, scroll down and force stop it. 2. Tap Storage and hit Clear Cache. Never clear data. 3. Open your Recents and tap Close, all to free up memory. And 4. Stop using one giant conversation and start a new chat. If it's still slow after all that, check your internet connection and make sure the app is updated in the Play Store. If this helped you out, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.